My fellow peers, for far too long, the ASI has sat back and done nothing but get rich off the sweat and dollars of our students. While the quality of our education has deteriorated in tandem with the skyrocketing of tuition, ASI has done little to nothing towards voicing the concerns of our students or giving any relief in the face of such unprecedented events. To make matters worse, our international students pay a substantially higher premium to attend this university, but are ineligible to apply for or obtain the same level of financial aid as the rest of the student body. Furthermore, clubs and student organizations face a record level amount of red tape and bureaucracy when they try to apply for funding or resources that they are entitled and provided to them by the student government. Well, I say no more. As your new ASI Vice President, I will bring back fair representation and ensure ASI does its fair share towards supporting our students. Students have the first priority as we seek to reverse and repair the damage done to our university by the budget cuts. I will have our union voice our opinion to legislators and take our concerns to the citizens if the officials refuse to acknowledge and remedy our grievances. I will personally push to create a minimum of 10 new ASI-sponsored scholarships that are divided evenly between international and domestic students, in addition to merit and need-based qualifications. This will ensure all of our students have an equitable chance of achieving one of the awards. I will push for a yearly college-wide competition where students are allowed to experiment, do research, and churn out relevant material related to their fields and be rewarded for their talent and relevant contributions to CSUEB. In addition, I will also look for ways to improve and expedite the funding process for student clubs and organizations. This is just a taste of what's to come and our future direction of ASI.